What is happening? What is going on with the price of the Air Jordan 4? Maniere, we have to talk about it because the hype of the Air Jordan 4 is real. And to see these prices is absolutely insane. The Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found giveaway is over. Here is the giveaway winner. Congratulations to you. I want to give away another pair of Lost and Found Jordan 1s, but first, I need to see 600 likes on this video, so please make sure you guys smash that like button. If this video gets 600 likes, tomorrow we'll start the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1 giveaway. We'll give away another pair, so make sure you guys smash that thumbs up. I sold an early pair of Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds on StockX, and I want to tell you guys what happened. In order for me to drop that video, I need to see 500 likes on this video. So please, make sure you guys smash that like button, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. This is my Sole Premise sneaker bag. As you guys can see, Sole Premise bags hold your sneakers safely and securely when you're traveling. I have 5 to 6 pairs of sneakers in here. I also have room on the bottom of the bag for another pair of shoes as well. And I have room for my clothes, laptop, chargers, and a bunch more. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise and be sure to use my code DannyMoore for 40% off the entire website. It is the holiday season, and if you're shopping for a loved one that is into sneakers, they're gonna love Sole Premise bags for the holidays. They're a great gift. Make sure you guys check them out and get 40% off your entire order from the best sneaker bags in the game. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. Be sure to click my link down below in the description and use my promo code DannyMoore for 40% off your entire order. Maniere and Jordan Brand started things off with the Air Jordan 3. People's favorite Maniere sneaker. Very, very clean colorway. Very wearable. Executed very nice. Great materials. And a lot of people's sneaker of the year last year. When it comes to the next release, we got the Air Jordan 1. We got the Jordan 1. The most hyped model at the time. People love Air Jordan 1s. The Air Jordan 1 has fallen off a little bit in terms of hype. The Air Jordan 4 has surpassed the Air Jordan 1 in terms of hype. But the Air Jordan 4 Maniere is very clean. They're basic. The cracked leather was a little much for some people. They followed up with the Air Jordan 2, which it's the Air Jordan 2. Not a lot of people cared, right? It's really that simple. They also gave us a bunch of cracked leather on that one as well, which turned people off a little bit more. Those are not going for much on the market as well. Now, when it comes to the follow-up, the new pair, we got the Air Jordan 4 Maniere, and these are, in my opinion, personal opinion, the best of the collaborations so far we've gotten. But I think a lot of people are putting the 3s over the 4s. However, they're still a very clean colorway. This colorway is great. Prices, what the hell is going on? I'm gonna straight up say it. What the hell is going on? It's crazy. The reason why I think it's crazy that to see these going for $400 or less in some sizes is crazy to me. For some reason, 9.5 for some reason is at like $450, and I've noticed that. Let me know if you've noticed that down below in the comments. When it comes to really the hype sneakers, the collab sneakers, 9.5 for some reason just tends to be the money size. Let me know your thoughts on why that is, and if that's true, what you guys think. I do notice that 9.5 is at $450. Other sizes at around $380 to $400. What the hell is going on? You guys are telling me that this Maniere Air Jordan 4, this collab sneaker, right, with the hype of Maniere, after the success of the 3s, the 1s, the 2s, they sold out, right? There's still hype for Maniere. They came out with a Jordan 4 at the perfect time, mind you, right? Jordan 4 hype is through the roof. Everybody loves their Air Jordan 4s. And these are reselling for around the same prices as military black Jordan 4s. What in the world is going on? I understand there's inflation, people are not spending as much. But you're telling me these are really only worth like $400? That's crazy to me, personally, because of the hype with Maniere just in general, but then they tossed it on an Air Jordan 4 with Nike Air on the back. Guys, Nike Air on the back. Quilted sock liner, Maniere logo, Jumpman logo. I mean, what more could we want? The colorway is great. I mean, it's very wearable. It's executed great. Materials are dope. You got the cream, the black, this muted purple, like violet ore, they're calling it color. It's very, very nice. It's Maniere. Take a look at the success of the threes. One thing I am noticing is the midsole of the threes is very close there to the actual colorway of the 4. That's actually a really nice touch. That's sick. That's fire. That's straight fire. I love that detail. I'm just noticing that now. That's crazy. And with the success of the threes, success of the ones, mind you, the ones have absolutely tanked in price. They were going for like $450. Now they're at like $300. Right? Not going for too much. But the 4s, during the 4 hype, right now in the prime of the 4s, they drop a beautiful colorway. Something I could see Travis doing this colorway. It's very similar, very Travis-like, if you ask me. Because the prices are so low, I'm going to tell you guys right now, in my opinion, don't sleep. Don't sleep. If you like them for your collection, to wear, to rock, it's a great shoe. I think you'll be happy paying the resale price when you get the quality in hand, when you get the sneaker in hand. You see the quality, materials, you put them on feet, match them with a fit. I think you'll be happy with them. And if you're looking to make money, hey, I do think it's a good hold. After all, it is an Air Jordan 4, and people are getting their pairs in and dumping them. So I think it's a good time to buy them. Potentially, we'll see a price increase in the future. Hey, 2023 is around the corner, and I think in 2023, we could see a price increase in the Air Jordan 4. Maniere, don't sleep. This is a fire, straight fire pair of sneakers. They're great, and it's a great quality shoe. The Air Jordan 4 Maniere is fire, straight fire. It is a collab sneaker. What's gonna happen to the market with Maniere? I think that the 4s will go up. I think it's gonna be a decent hold. I think they'll go up to like $550. It will take a little bit of time, but I definitely think they'll be a little bit, tiny bit less maybe than the 3s. More expensive than the 1s like they already are. And be a decent hold. I could see them going up because of Maniere, the hype, the materials, the story behind these sneakers. They do have, you know, some writing on the back heel, which is very, very nice. It does say it's not about the shoes. And then on the other shoes, it's about where you're going. And then you do have Michael Jordan's signature right here. So amazing details, amazing story. They do come with, as well, an extra hang tag here. This hang tag is very nice, an extra detail there. I mean, the story's great. Packaging is great. They killed it. The whole sneaker is a great look. That outsole is cream. It's very, very nice and vibrant. I love that outsole, midsole combo with the cream, the black. It's a great pair of Jordan 4s. These prices, to me, personally, are crazy. And I think over some time, they could potentially go up because it's Maniere. It's a Jordan 4, and it's a wearable colorway. They're wearable, and it's a collab with Nike Air on the back. It's a great shoe. Now, as far as release, they released on Maniere's website. That's where I grabbed these from. I was actually able to get 2 pairs. And they also released on the sneakers app. So they did release. There was pairs out there. I'm sure we sold like 6 figures somewhere, stock numbers. There was pairs out there. That's why I'm assuming why the prices are so low. However, I think still it will take time, but I could see them going up. I can definitely see them going up. People are going to wear them. It's a great shoe. Details are phenomenal. And Maniere has been killing it. Absolutely killing it on their sneaker collaborations. I'm excited to see what they do next. 5s, it makes sense. 6s, makes sense. Keep going. Keep it going. And I'm excited for more Maniere Air Jordan collaborations. They killed it on the 4s, and these prices are absolutely mind-blowing. Insane for me, personally, to see these prices. Let me know what you guys think about the price of the Maniere Air Jordan 4 down below in the comments. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and make sure you guys smash that like button. Get this video up to 600 likes for the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found giveaway. We'll get a brand new giveaway going, so make sure you guys smash that like button for me. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. The Air Jordan 4, Maniere, is fire. Straight fire. Don't sleep. Thanks for watching, guys. We out.